Hey there, this is Philip from inFlow's customer support team. The other day I had somebody come into chats and they were asking how they could accurately keep track of delivery dates as well as delivery times and stop their employees from entering different values and typing things in different formats that didn't add up and then make things like reporting and everything really difficult. So I thought I'd take a couple quick minutes to show you how custom fields in inFlow work. In the past, custom fields used to only be text boxes, so you would just have to manually enter in any kind of information that you wanted. We've recently updated it. Now we have 4 different types of custom fields that you can use, which makes things a lot easier. So to get to your custom field settings, go down to your settings at the bottom, then click on Global, and here on the right-hand side, you're going to see the custom fields. We'll click on here, and this is going to show all the different areas of inFlow that you can add a custom field to. For instance, we've got sales orders, purchase orders, manufacturing, products, customers, vendors, stock transfers, and stock adjustments. Today's example, we're looking at sales orders, so I'm going to open that up here. Now, you can see I already have some custom fields set up in here, and I do have one for delivery date and delivery time like the customer was asking for, but again, as I said in the past, these only used to be text fields, and that left a lot for manual error. So what you can do now instead is for my delivery date, we can click on here and I can actually choose between if I want it to be a text field, a drop-down list, a date field, or a checkbox. So delivery date is obviously a date, so we're going to pick the date field. And delivery time, while a text field would be fine, again, I want to minimize how much people have to type in, and that way we get incorrect data or different things like that. I'm going to actually make it a drop-down. Now that I've selected drop-down, you can see I've got an option to enter my different drop-down items. So let's say we've got a few different times during the day that these deliveries would happen. So let's say 9 a.m. I'm going to add another one, 12 p.m. and 3 p.m. So we've got 3 different delivery times throughout the day. If you needed to add any more custom fields, you can click on this Add Custom Field button here, and it's going to add on field 6, 7, 8, all the way up to 10. And if you have any that you've deleted and wanted to bring back, you can click this little Show Inactive button down here, and that'll bring them up so you can add them back. So I'm going to save this change, and I'm going to create a new sales order. Now, sales order screen looks like normal, but if we go down to the bottom, you'll actually see these are all my different custom fields that I have set up. We've got the delivery date, which is the one that we were just changing. If I click into it, you'll see that it'll open up this nice little date picker. Again, making it so that people don't have to type in a date. And let's just say we want it to be delivered tomorrow. And then delivery time. Again, this is now the nice drop down that we can pick. So if we wanted it delivered at 3 p.m., we can pick that. Now, if I did need to make any changes to these custom fields, we do have this nice little button right here. Click Manage, and that'll bring up all the different options for the custom fields right away. You can do this on any of the different pages. And then, again, the custom fields are really, really helpful because they'll be options that you can use in things like filters. So let's say I wanted to find specific sales orders that are going to be delivered tomorrow. I can go into my filters, click on delivery date, add that in here, and I'm going to pick tomorrow. And apply, and look at that. Now I can see this is the only sales order that needs to be delivered tomorrow. I could do the same thing and add in the delivery time if I needed. And just to quickly show, I did have one on here with the checkbox, which is just like a yes or a no, like checked or unchecked kind of thing. So again, something nice and easy. You can set these up in absolutely everything, again, so like your customers, your products, your vendors, anything like that. And you can get to it from the options, or again, each page does have like their own little option on here. So I can click Manage, can go in, I can add another field as we need. So I hope that helps, and we'll catch you in the next video.